Pollution is a problem of the world today. Pollution is because many people do not respect the environment. But what can we do? To save nature, we can, for example, first of all recycle, collect waste from nature, or use public transport. With a little help from everyone, we can create a clean environment, and that will make a happy planet.
Because of pollution, the world is facing a big problem because the seas in the ocean are more polluted and the animals are in danger. We should try to recycle the garbage.
Because of global warming, the glaciers are melting and the polar bears are dying.
Because of pollution, the animals started disappearing one by one. We need to start acting now because we don't have much time left.
One of the big problems of pollution is fuel oil and natural gas. This can be a big problem in our health and affects a lot of people. So let's take care of our planet, and it's never too late.
Well, basically, the Earth is heating up, all because of global warming, brought to you by carbon dioxide and humans' inability to care for the planet. If we keep on going down this path, then in like 70 years or so, I don't know, the atmosphere is gonna be so hot, humans might have to go underground, water might evaporate, and that means war for water. And war always ends in nukes. Too many nukes can release so much nuclear debris and ash into the atmosphere that it just blocks the sun. Without sun, plants can't photosynthesize, so they die. Then animals, then without food, humans die. So just use a bike or something, I don't know. Just stop.
The number one material that causes pollution is plastic. It's so bad because it not only takes hundreds of years to...
It's okay.
It's so bad because not only does it take hundreds of years to disappear, but also it can lead to marine life choking on it and infection of water. It's gotten so bad indeed that in the northern part of the Atlantic Ocean, there is now an island made entirely out of plastic.
The problem in the world is air pollution, chemicals, climate change, biodiversity, natural and material resources.
As you can see, the big problem of the planet is cutting down the trees. Every year, around 50 billion trees are cut down. We need to cut down the trees, but only old, weak, or marked. Let's take care of the planet.
Wonderful.
Pollution from big cities affects the quality of life, but also the ecosystem from kilometers away. Toxic substances such as heavy metals, nitrates, and plastic end up in the soil and water. Pollution affects our health, but also the natural ecosystems.
Perfect. Thank you.
Plastic pollution is one of the biggest problems of the world. A plastic bag can reach into the ocean and a sea turtle can eat it and unfortunately die.
Wonderful. The problem of excessive pollution is due to people because they do not recycle. One of the solutions, people must be informed that only by searching the trash can we save the planet.
One of the biggest problems on our planet is pollution. Many kinds of animals and plants will disappear in about 10 or 15 years.
Most people pollute nature, such as the aquatic environment. But how does this affect the environment? Well, for example, people throw waste wherever find it, even in the aquatic environment. And the animals that live there try to survive, but at some point get stuck in this waste and die.
There are many kinds of pollution on this planet. For example, think about the ocean pollution. This can affect many of our fish, and it can also affect us because we don't have any more fish to eat. So that's why we should stop polluting and stop throwing trash away.
Pollution is really dangerous for everyone in this world. Let's talk about polar bears, because when they are only on ice, but even that ice will melt at sometimes. So it's basically really sad for us to hear that, because not only humans have hearts, because and animals have hearts, and they suffer too, and they even have imagination, and everyone will be sad in this way.
Nowadays, we have a record number of garbage in the seas and ocean. That seriously warms the life of the fish. The solution: let's all think that when you throw the containers on the ground, it takes the life of the fish. Recycle and dispose the garbage when necessary for a healthy environment.
One of the biggest pollution case yet is plastic that is not thrown away or recycled. Many people think it's not that big of a problem, but it's one of the biggest ones yet. If everybody would throw plastic away in the trash cans or recycled it, the world would already be much cleaner. But wait, me and my classmates have designed the alphabet prints to show you how to do your part and also to understand the problems we are facing. Because not only our homes need to be clean, but our planet too. Overcoming climate change is within reach if we work together to commit to action and invest in our planet and our collective future. In order to make our peers and adults aware of the fact that not only our homes need to be clean, but our world too, we have designed the alphabet prints to show you how to do your part and to understand the issues we are facing. Letter A, air quality. B, biodegradable. C, conservation. D, disposable. E, engage animals in circular economy. F, fossil fuels. G, global warming. G, jungle. K, kids. L, litter and leftovers. M, marine pollution. N, non-renewable resources. O, overpopulation, and so on.